Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, cruise control, leather seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2017 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.